Hi, I'm Tiffany Nelson. I remember one time I was at a celebration. There was great music, great food, great conversation, and then the DJ started to play my song. I was the first one to the dance floor, and I began to dance and dance and dance. It took a lot of risk to go out on that dance floor. I was courageous and I was vulnerable. It reminded me of the many times that I've showed courage in my life before. It took courage to be the first person in my family to be a college graduate, to be the first person in my family to be a homeowner at a young age, to be the first Black woman to be a golf instructor for the parks department in the city in which I live. What risk are you willing to take? Where do you want to be the first? Maybe you want to be the first person to create general wealth for your family. Maybe you're the first person who will make a major impact in your industry. It's going to take some tenacity. It's going to take some grit. It's going to take some education, and I'm here to show you how to do it. Through workshops that refine your strengths, personal coaching from me, an ICF certified coach, we'll attack your goals and help you to find the outcomes that you're looking for, and we'll have some fun too. How about learning how to play golf? Do you hear that? It's your song. Are you ready to get out on the dance floor? I'm ready to take your hand and lead you out there. I'm Tiffany, and I launch leaders to their destiny. Thank you.